I don't do unboxing videos. Here's a slight unboxing video. Meshtastic, oh sorry, Seed Studio very kindly sent me a SenseCap solar node, and that's for the Meshtastic network. I'll be doing a little bit of, I didn't say that properly, did I? A little bit of research with this, a little bit harder research. But what I wanted, the only reason I wanted to make this little video was that when Kevin Hester, RGPilot Dev, started the Meshtastic project, I thought, well, I don't know, I didn't dream that there would be such professional hardware. Trouble speaking. Now I've cut, there was a little bit of tape there, I've cut that. So here we are, here it is in the box. It's a solar node. And it's got all sorts of mounting gear. I'm looking at it through the camera. This is literally the first time I've looked at it. So let's get this apart, let's get it mounted up high, and let's see what it can do for us. Now Seed Studios very kindly sent 2 of these, as well as the solar node, and there's a reason why I'm filming this at around about sunset, which will become apparent in a minute. But over there, you see that little V there on the horizon? That will be important. Now, when I first started getting into Meshtastic, one of the reasons I started getting into it, other than knowing Kevin, was that a few times we've had runaway fires across here, and I've seen people driving around and runaway fires when we've had no electricity, so there's been no cell phone communications. So there's been no cell phone, and generally there's not radios and things. So that's always worried me. That has always worried me. So Meshtastic was a potential way around it. Now, this sort of thing, these WIO, I'm not sure how you say it, L1 trackers. This thing's got it's got LoRa, obviously, from 862 to 930. Maybe I should have it in shot. It's got an L76K GPS in it, which is at the top up here. It's a very small GPS. And more importantly, it uses the NRF 52840 radio chipset, which seems to be very, very good. Now again, I'll have to use the top of this. There, that's that V there. Let's cut to another video. Yeah, just a bit of a range check for this here WIO thing. My house is 15.2 k's away that way. So I took that video at sunset earlier because it just makes the V in the distance stand out a little bit better with the light behind it. But what we're looking at now is a view shed of the theoretical range of the 968 transmitter receiver, or the solar node, on top of my garage. There it is on the garage corner. So wherever what's that thing from The Lion King? Wherever the sun touches the ground. So wherever the red is, that's the V. That's the V we're talking about over there on the hill, which if you look back you might see that. So in theory, wherever the red is, I should be able to communicate with. And obviously I took that L1 tracker out on my motorcycle last Sunday, and I was astonished. I thought, oh, I took it out of my pocket, because I thought in the distance, oh, there's I can see roughly where my house is. And quite amazingly, it was here. That's the very bit of road that I took it out. If you care to, if you don't get out enough, if you look at the video, you'll see that's that bend there. So that's pretty precisely where the view shed says it should have been able to work. So I think I need to truth that. So the next thing I'm going to do, so I've got these are herd pins, or not herd pins. This is where I'm going to try. So I'll put these in a GPS, like that one. That's very likely there. And I'll see. I'll go on my motorbike next weekend and see. I've certainly worked here, and that amazingly is on the view shed, and school over here. And that's, you can see it's only just, my house is over, where is it? It's over here, over there. And school is in the other side of the valley, or other side of the hill from my house. So that's the next thing to do, is go out and ground truth this view shed and prove how accurate it is. And if it is like this, I'll have a bit more confidence in when I'm coming up to this trial that we're doing up here. So anyway, that's where we're at with that part of it.